Oh, there's 2 ducks. They think we have food? Stay away. Ooh.
What do you think? You see the birds?
No. Oh, wait, one back.
Listen, shh. Listen to the sound.
No.
We got one in our car. And the one duck. Yeah. No, there's 2 ducks. They're talking to her, Sam.
No.
So they're all waiting, they know. It's hilarious. They don't even bother flying until she opens it up.
Oh. Bringing out the big guns.
I wonder if she has any Hawaiian rolls. David would be like, no, not the Hawaiian rolls. How many birds do you see, Sam?
No.
How many birds? The birds? It's like Alfred Hitchcock film, huh?
What is no.
Should we just drive right through them now?
No.
Sorry, that's my 6th sense of humor.